about yours, about the Sigabo. Parang some of the viewers are reacting to AI scenes of the series. How do you feel about it? Or are
Hindi
you
ko nga hindi ako aware.
Okay, sige.
Hindi ko rin po nakita. Ako nga bilib na napanood ko yung trailer. Wow, may ingay doon. Hindi ko po talaga alam. Hindi ako aware. Oh my gosh, hindi na talaga ako updated sa mga ganap. Ano pong sabi? Ano nga sabi? Hindi ko nga alam. Hindi ko talaga alam. Hindi ko po alam. Ano sabi nila?
Yun, bakit daw ini-AI pa? Kahit
Anong
simpleng
AI?
scene, like yung
Alin?
parang kasal nung dalawang Chinese, ini-AI pa, hindi naman action scene. Maintindihan daw nila kung action scene, pero
Well, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Because AI is gonna be part of our lives. So, for people who cannot appreciate and accept AI, may ipag-iiwanan sila. Okay, so because in our production company, we also use AI. It's a great tool to help us, kumbaga, accentuate a scene or something. But for those people who are not ready to embrace AI, baka mapag-iwanan sila. Yun lang masasabi ko. But I understand. People are still afraid of AI. But I was in an AI convention before. Sige, hindi ko na lang siguro dun dahil hindi ko naman ako aware na may ganong issue about Sigabo. But this is just about AI to explain further to people that, you know, if you use it, you have to be ready because eventually, everybody can use AI na eh. So, instead na i-bash mo, hindi mo sundan, gamitin mo din because it's a really helpful tool in our everyday lives. Kailangan mo sumabay sa development ng buhay or else, wala, you'll be left behind. And I don't know, probably the Philippines is not ready for it, but I think it's about time. It's here, it's right in front of you. So, if you're not gonna make the most of it, walang. You'll be left behind. May ipag-iiwanan ka na ng panahon. Magka-40 na ako doon. Kailangan, syempre doon, kung ano nang magpapadali ng buhay ko, may minsan masakit na yung likod ko, tsaka tuhod ko. So, kailangan, you know, whatever will make my life easier, I'll grasp into it.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you
Yes.
po.
Okay ka na, Mar. So,
Oo naman.
di ba naiwan na nga tayo
Hollywood,
actually?
I know. It's about time. Napag-iiwanan na talaga tayo. You know, in Hollywood, they've been using it for the
Yes,
longest
for the
time.
longest.
You think CGI is not AI? It's still
It's
there.
AI. Yes.
Yeah. It's
Diba?
still, it's gonna be part of cinema. It's gonna be part of this industry. It's gonna be part of our daily lives, actually. You know, everybody's using ChatGPT. I'm against sometimes in school because baka minsan kids are, you know, wala nang natututunan because tayo lahat, we're all manual. But, wala, kailangan mo mag-adapt. If not, goodbye talaga. You'll be left out there knowing nothing.
Yan, oo. Tuloy tayo sa kanyang acting skills naman sa Sigabo. Ayan, na nakikita natin siya. So ano naman ang kwento mo dito, RC?
Ito first time ko maging police and syempre paulit-ulit man ako but I'm really grateful na nabigyan na halaga ako ng opportunity to work with Direk Coco and Julia, of course. She's like my sister. And every day, pag kunwari may taping kami, like ko message si Austin, my handler, I'm like, Be, I really enjoyed shooting again. It's like, I miss this so much. My last show, I was also an agent but not a police woman.
Yeah.
I was an agent. Pero that was during the pandemic. Ay ko, oh my gosh, gano'n na ba katagal yun? Sabi ko, pandemic pa yun. Kami yung unang-unang nag-lock-in eh. Yung walang hanggang paalam. So yun, eto na ulit yun after so many years. Kasi naging busy rin kami, nagtutour, and then I launched my my streaming platform. I did it with Direk Niel de Mesa. So meron kami streaming platform, NDM+. So it's like Netflix, 5 years namin yung ginawa. So akala nila nagta-travel lang ako. Pero nagtatrabaho ako kasi we launched production companies in Japan, in Taipei, and in Singapore. So we have offices there. 5 years kami, content, shoot. And then one of my dreams talaga is to really have a travel show. So yun, Ngayon, we have like a couple of countries in Asia that is presented na andun na po, part of the content of ndmplus.com. So now, I really want to focus my time with Sigabo. So we shoot MWF. So wala, ang dami lang nangyayari talaga this past few years and I'm excited to be back on TV. And yun din, ang ganda ng reception din ng tao. I'm Max Jacinto there, that's my character. And sister ako ni Julia. And in real life, I really feel so comfortable being with her. I feel like she's really my little sister. And even Derek Coco, they're all very nice people, everybody on set. That's why I always look forward. Every MWF, I look forward na going to the set and I really miss acting. Kaya nga medyo minsan kapag artista ka kasi pag namimiss ko yung umarte, inaartehan ko yung sarili ko sa salamin. Oo nga, kasi pa-practice pa rin ako kasi ang daming emotion sa loob ko na kailangan ko talagang ilabas. I guess it's part of being an artist.
Nag-workshop ka alone, parang gano'n.
Oo, totoo nga. Tapos kunwari, may mapapanood ako ng magandang pelikula. Tapos, sasabayan ko yung pag-arte. Pumipick up talaga ako kasi nga sabi ko, gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyang role. And this is one of the roles that I really wanna do and I'm grateful na na-consider talaga ako nila Direk Coco. So, yun. It feels like family when I'm on set. Tita Carmi has always been my mom in all of my roles. So yeah, so far so good. I'm having a blast. And
Diba?
yeah.
Napakadami nakahain at ihahain pa sa atin ni RC because